What if you could upload any document, a contract, an NDA, a lease agreement, an employee offer, and have four A agents that automatically extract every key class in under 60 seconds? Like no manual reading, no copy pasting, just upload and get a professional report. That exactly what I built. Let me show. So the problem is every business deals with contracts. HR teams review employment agreements, legal teams read NDAs, procurement teams read, check and read contract vendor contracts. And every time someone has to manually read through pages of legal language to find the same information. It takes 30 to 45 minutes per document. For 50 contracts, that days of work. And one mistake can cost thousands. I built a four agent AI pipeline that does this in under 60 seconds. So the solution will be, here's what make this different from just asking ChatGPT or Claude to read a contract. I built four specialist agents, each with one job. Agent 1 reads and indexes the document. Agent 2 extract the answers. Agent 3 generate the report. And Agent 4, this is the key. Agent 4 independently checks every extraction against the source. The system audits its own work. One AI tool cannot do this. Okay, so let's come into this segment 4. Okay, because in this part, we will be having nearly 8 questions. These 8 questions, the pipeline asks automatically. Okay, I will show you these questions inside the code also, like what are the parties involved. Because before I show you the demo, these questions you should know. Okay, these are the pipeline that asks automatically on every document. You don't type anything. These are built into agent 2. Okay, so every run, same 8 questions, any document you upload. Okay, so when I run, you will come to know. Okay, so now let's go into the demo. Okay, so as I said, here is this is my code, and so in Visual Studio I have done. Okay, so agent to extract is here, and you are telling about the questions, right? What are the questions? Like these will be the 8 questions that will be raised into that contract agreement. Okay, because the contract, all the informations or whatever things are present, it will be dealing with here. Okay, so like these are the questions, and I will show you with the help of a demo. Okay, I will be doing in Streamlit. Okay, so Streamlit, this is a like just hold on. Okay, so hope you can see this is the Streamlit interface. It's simple. One purpose, it upload a document and get the intelligence out. Okay, so this is the one. Okay, I'll be just clearing all the results. Okay, and I'll be showing you the document also. Like, okay, this is the contract report. This is the contract report. Okay, so professional service agreement, and we have this is the agreement between the two people. Okay, like what are the deliverables, what are the contract duration, payment terms and schedule. Okay, and just I'm uploading this document over here. Okay, the same document. Okay, and so this is the service agreement I have uploaded. Okay, I'm clicking run all agents. Okay, so now this agent 1 is running. Okay, PDF is like it will be loaded. It split into 11 chunks. FAISS vector index. Okay, built using ADA 002 embeddings. This one will be, and now agent 2 is running. Okay, so this has agent 2. This has 8 semantic queries fired against the index, and GPT extracted each answers at temperature 0. Okay, temperature 0 because we want facts, not the creativity. Okay, and like if you look into the four agents. Okay, if you look over here, you can see all the agents that has run. Okay, and the agent 4. Okay, that it does the extraction independently, verified against the source. Okay, and mainly the confidence score per field is extracted. So if you look over here, the pipeline results. Okay, so it is showing that like what to say, 8 fields have been queried. Okay, you can see, right? What are the things? 8 fields have been queried. We can see the results like 6 confirmed, 2 flags, and this is the pipeline score. This is for the developer need actually. So parties involved, supported, and contract date, right? It is 1st April 2026, and the payment terms, okay, and the termination class, everything is updated. Okay, so I can download this also. Okay. So this is the one contract report. Okay, whatever I have done. So we can contract intents report, extracted contracts field, contract date, 12 months. So all these things we can. Okay. Now let me show you the important part actually. Okay. This is the JSON hands off. Okay. The next is. Okay, like because how it is communicating the streamlet and how it is coming into the agent loader, okay, and metadata JSON, this agent to extractor, agent 3 reporter. So this information I will show you in the code also. Okay, so see this agent to extraction JSON, right? So here, okay, so it is, this is agents to output a clean JSON file, okay, and every extracted field saved here. Agents 3 read this to build this PDF, and agent 4 reads this to validate each answer, okay. And this is the like extractor part and validation report, okay. So if you look over here, validation report.json. This is agents 4 output. It shows the status, confidence score, okay, and the reason for every single field, and all the details are available in the GitHub link. Okay, you can check in the description, I have given it. And if you want something is flagged, you know exactly which field. Okay, and the agent to extractor by right, this is the Python code. Okay, and here are those 8 questions hard coded, as I said. Okay, and FAISS finds the most relevant chunk for each query. GPT reads only the chunk, not the whole document. So it is efficient, targeted, and accurate. Okay, so now we have seen about with the uh, right. We have seen with Streamlit. Okay, now I will be showing you how it can be done through Fast API. Okay? I'm just closing it. Okay, because this Swagger UI, right? This will be mostly useful for developers. Okay, uh, get us started. I am taking this. Okay, so we can see over here. Okay, we can see the post analysis. Okay, and this is the mainly for the developer point of view. Okay, who can integrate this into their own system. I also built a REST API using the Fast API. This is the Swagger documentation. It's auto-generated and fully interactive. We can see the post analysis. This is we can upload any PDF and get back the structured JSON with all the extracted field, validation scores, and pipeline summary. And this get report is for we need to get the report, right, that downloads the PDF report directly for that purpose. Okay, so I will show you this also. Okay, so we are going here, try it out. Okay, I am choosing this file, same. Okay, and I'm giving execute. It will take little time. Just hold on. So it is giving, right, success. Response body is it's showing success. Sample contract, that is the PDF, and the details. If you are of a developer, you will come to know all these things. Okay. So what is the mismatch and contract duration, and like a partial match may need manual review. Okay. So that type of things, and like okay, now if I want to get as a report, okay, I want to download this report, I'm giving get. Okay, try it out, execute. So here is a download file. Okay. So if I download over here, I'll get it. So this is the contract intelligence report, multi-agent, and the total fields queried, fields extracted, parties involved, like that. Okay, so whatever we have seen on the screen, it's coming via here. Okay, supported. Okay, so let me go back to the PPT. Okay, that this is the fast API, REST API method, which we have done now. Okay, like post, this is for analyze, and get, this is the health part. This is the link. Okay, and so what are the tech stack? Means here's the full tech stack that I have used over here. Python at the core, LangChain for orchestration, GPT 3.5 for extraction and validation, ADA 002 embeddings with FAISS. This is for semantic search, and a report lab for PDF generation, Streamlit for the user interface, which you have seen first time I have shown, especially for non-techies that can be useful, and fast API, that is for the REST API, mainly for developers who have their own team. So everything open source except the OpenAI calls are available over here. Okay, so full code is available on that GitHub, guys. Okay, the link is available in the description. So if you are a business dealing with high volumes of contracts, NDAs or agreements, this pipeline can save your team days of manual work every month. I am available for remote contract work and AI consulting worldwide. Links below. If this was useful, like, subscribe, and as always, build something real. Thank you.